Welcome and thank you for listening to this Paragon Edge audio blog. The rapid evolution of digital technology has transformed the global payment landscape. As consumers and businesses increasingly shift toward digital transactions, modern payment systems have become more complex and interlinked, encompassing a global network of financial institutions, merchants, processors, and technology providers. This interconnected ecosystem successfully facilitates billions of payment transactions every day, helping to ensure the swift, seamless, and secure exchange of goods and services. However, the increased reliance on digital payments has made payment system availability, reliability, and scalability more important than ever. Modern consumers now demand instant and seamless transactions, and when payment systems fail, the consequences can be severe. Businesses lose sales, financial institutions face reputational damage, and consumer trust in their financial systems is eroded. As the world moves further toward a digital-first economy, ensuring the dependability of payment systems has become a top priority for all payment industry players, regulators, and technology companies. Unfortunately, several recent high-profile outages have highlighted the risks and vulnerabilities that currently exist within the global payments infrastructure, raising concerns about the overall stability and resiliency of these critical financial systems. Consumers love the convenience that digital payments offer. As transactions continue to grow, so too does the dizzying array of alternative payment options available for use at the sole discretion of the purchaser. As these new payment methods proliferate, so do the complexities of managing them. Each unique transaction requires additional communication and coordination with new connection points that are spread across the fabric of interdependent issuers, acquirers, gateways, networks, fraud detection systems, and regulatory frameworks that support the global payment industry. This interconnectedness means that even a minor issue or outage in one component can ripple across the entire system, disrupting businesses and frustrating consumers. As more of these payment choices become available, the more difficult it becomes for merchants and financial service providers to ensure the availability and reliability of their systems and applications. Instead of simplifying the payments environment, the sheer volume of transactions, technologies, and techniques involved in delivering and supporting this multitude of payment options adds friction to the overall payment process, rather than reducing it. Each payment method has security standards, regulatory requirements, and integration needs. As the industry rushes to keep up with demand for more convenient, real-time transactions, ensuring system resilience and fraud prevention remains a continuous battle. Businesses must navigate an ever-changing landscape where seamless transactions, consumer convenience, and airtight security must coexist. One of the primary causes of outages is a technical failure, such as a hardware fault, software defect, or cybersecurity incident that occurs somewhere in the payments ecosystem. Given the inherent interdependencies that exist in modern payment systems, even minor code errors or application upgrades in seemingly unrelated areas of the infrastructure can have immediate and unintended consequences, disrupting payment processing for thousands of businesses and millions of consumers. Operational risks also play a significant role in payment system reliability. Many financial institutions and payment service providers rely on legacy systems that require ongoing maintenance and periodic upgrades. Ensuring smooth transitions during system updates is challenging, and misconfigurations or compatibility issues can result in prolonged downtime. Additionally, challenges related to third-party dependencies require organizations to implement stringent oversight mechanisms to protect themselves and mitigate this risk. One key consequence of payment outages is the loss of customer trust. Customer trust is one of the most significant casualties of unreliable payment systems. When consumers experience failed transactions or prolonged service disruptions, their confidence in digital payments diminishes. This lack of trust can drive them to competitors and alternative solutions. Another major consequence is financial repercussions. Businesses face revenue losses, regulatory fines, and potential legal liabilities for failing to meet service-level agreements. Any and all of these results have the potential to tarnish a company's reputation and negatively impact shareholder value. Strengthening payment system resiliency requires a combination of modernized infrastructure, optimized operational processes, strict regulatory compliance, and proactive testing. Additionally, challenges related to third-party dependencies now require that all payment industry participants implement stringent oversight mechanisms to protect themselves and mitigate these risks. Following are a few strategic measures payment industry participants can implement to safeguard their mission-critical payment systems against operational failures, outages, and security incidents. To address the growing challenges of payment system reliability, financial institutions and payment service providers must invest in infrastructure upgrades that enhance the reliability, efficiency, and security of their processing environments. Moving certain assets to the cloud can also be a cost-effective way for organizations to improve flexibility, resiliency, and scalability. Regulatory compliance plays a vital role in enhancing payment system resilience. Governments and financial regulators worldwide have introduced stringent operational requirements to ensure payment networks remain secure and reliable. Adhering to compliance frameworks, including PCI DSS and ISO 2022, can help organizations maintain high standards for security and operational integrity. However, compliance alone is not enough. Organizations must also develop robust incident response plans to address outages swiftly. Establishing predefined protocols for disaster recovery, crisis communication, and cybersecurity incident handling can minimize downtime and mitigate financial losses. Another highly effective way to enhance payment system resilience is through rigorous testing. High-quality testing frameworks allow financial services companies to identify and correct defects and vulnerabilities before they affect customers. Automated payment testing solutions, such as those provided by Paragon Application Systems, improve testing speed, accuracy, and productivity. These tools enable organizations to effectively simulate real-world processing scenarios and optimize the performance of their payment systems. As the payment industry continues to evolve toward a digital-first future, organizations that prioritize proactive testing and robust security frameworks will be well-positioned to take full advantage of the exciting new opportunities that are sure to present themselves. For more than 30 years, Paragon Application Systems has provided innovative payment testing solutions that help financial institutions, merchants, and payment processors ensure the availability, reliability, and scalability of their mission-critical payment processing systems. Our modern, server-based, and web-enabled solutions, like Web Fast Test and Virtual ATM, have been specifically designed to address the unique demands of the payment industry, offering robust capabilities to help organizations improve testing speed, accuracy, and efficiency. Contact Paragon today to learn how we can help improve the operational efficiency and resiliency of your payment processing systems. Thank you for listening.